function. We are going to take function here. Into the sentence. Next is here we need to count the total number of words. So total words equals to word count dollar line dollar. Okay, fine. As dollar. Let's take a variable here, count. After that, let's go for the loop. If me dollar as dollar, then I 1 equals to, then count equals to count plus 1, end if next I, since it is using a function, yes or no. So what we need to do there, we have to return a value, and that return we have to supply to the function procedure, yes or no. So let's go for it. Word count equals to count. So that much. Let's save it. Let's run it. So enter a sentence. Hello, how are you? Yes. So we have finished the enter. Hello, how are you? Let's press enter. Total was 4. Is of 4. First is hello, then how, then are, then you. There are 4 words. So the output is right. Yes. Now how it works, let's go for the dry run with the help of table. Okay, just copying this one. So here is the program. Let's go for the table. How many variables are there? Look here. So 1 is actual argument, 1 is there. So this actual argument value it is passing to as $, yes or no? So first we need as $, then count, then loop, then mid. So for 5 we can say, so we need 5 columns. Let's go for it. Okay, first is as $. What is the value of as $? If we give here like hello, how are you? So if we give this string, then for line we can say, and it passes to as $. Now count, what is the value of count? Let's put it here. Count, it is 1, yes or no? Count is 1. Next variable is the loop. I equals to 1 to len. I equals to 1 to len, that is as $. So what is value of this one? Len. If we give hello, how are you, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 16 17. Yes, it becomes 17 there. Yes, so actually len is 17, so just put 17 here. Okay, I is 1 here first. Now next is the if condition, that is mid $, there, mid $, then as $, then I, then 1 equals to this one. Condition matching or not? If it is matching, then what happens? The value increases of the count, yes or no? So let's go for it. After that, what is count equals to count plus 1. Let's put it here. Okay, now first is there, we have to check the this is space here, whether the string contains this white space or not. Hello, when we give hello, how are you, then what happens? As ELLO, so there is no space, so nothing is just going to happen there. After that, there is a space there when I equals to 1, so condition not being true, yes or no? So here we can say no. How many times no? 1 2 3 4 5, no, up to 5 times we can say here, yes or no? Now next time what happens when the value of I it is 6 again, so it is yes. So when it is yes, then what happens? Count, it becomes 2, that is count equals to count plus 1, yes or no? So after the 7 8 9 again, when I is 7, 8 9. So it is not going to be true. No, we can say. After that, what happens when I it becomes 10 10 again? Yes. So yes means count, it becomes 3. Yes or no? After that, what happens? ARE 11 12 13. I equals to 11, then 12, then 13. So no, no, yes. After that, what happens? I becomes 14. 14 means yes already. So there is white space. It means count, it becomes 4. And after that, what happens? Again, for next value there is no. So I equals to 15 16 17 18, we can say. 3 2 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. Yes, let's count here. So this is 5 and 6. When it is 6, there is a space. 7 8 9, no space. 10, there is space. 11 12 13, no space. 14, there is space. Yes. 15 16 17, no space there. So 15 16 17, no, no. So what is the last value of count? Output is, what is value of count? CUNT, count equals to 4. Yes or no? So this is the output of our program, and that we have got it here. So this is how we can make a table. This is called dry run, and we can see actually how the function or how the program is executing and giving us output. Now let's cover the next program. I hope you have solved this one. If you have any question, then let me know. Now next program we are going to take, I'm going to take here, I have collection of programs here. I'm going to take one more program here. Let's take one more program here. Let's go for the reversing a string. Okay, so we input a string and thus we'll reverse that. So going to save it first. Let's create a new file here. Let's save it. 3 4 program 5 with dry run. Okay, let's save.